How to save draft post on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. Then open up Instagram on a device. Now wait for the app to load. Now once the app opens, tap on the plus icon at the bottom center. Now select post. Now simply scroll down and select a photo or video. Now tap on next. Now simply edit the photo or simply add the captions. Now tap on done and click on next. Now simply go back. Again go back. Now tap on save draft. Now to access the drafts, simply tap on drafts. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.